पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाख्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद कहोल ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 822. Purva Bakshi said, how this yena kena chiccharanena brahmanah bhavati. This what Shruti has said, yena kena chiccharanena syat tena idrisha eva ukta lakshana eva brahmano bhavati. So by whatever conduct he is still a brahmana. So then somebody asked that a brahmagnani, he cannot do yatheshta acharanam, whatever he likes, because everybody will follow him. So it is said, yena kenachit charanena means it is stuti of this brahmani avastha, means brahma vidya. It is the brahma vidya which has given you brahmani avastha. So it is the stuti of that brahma vidya. Sa iyam stuyate, na tu charane anadaraha. Not that there is misconduct, etc. in his life. Why? See in Tika. Vihitam acharato nishiddham cha tyajatah शुद्ध बुद्धेः श्रुतात् वाक्यात् सम्यक् धीर उत्पद्यते तस्य च वासनावशात् व्यवस्थितैव चेष्टा न अव्यवस्थिता इति। न यथेष्टाचरण प्रयुक्तो दोष इत्यर्थः। विहितम आचरतः, person who performs what is enjoined, prescribed, and nishiddham cha tyajatah, and what is nishiddham he rejects. When? In sadhana avastha. 7 number tippani, sadhana avasthayam. So while doing sadhana, he has already maintained so much discipline over so many years, and through that he has become shuddha buddhihi. Shuddha buddhir yasya saha shuddha buddhihi. Tasya shuddha buddhehe shrutat vakyat samyak dhihi utpadyate. For this person who has shuddha buddhi, when he does mahavakya shravanam, then samyak jnanam takes place. Tasya cha vasana vashat vyavasthitaiva cheshta na avyavasthita. So then for that person, vasana means based on purva samskara balat vihita achara eva niyato bhavati. Because for so long he has been doing vihita achara. So his cheshta will not be avyavasthita. And therefore there is no question of yatheshtacharana prayukta dosha. Now the last part of the mantra, ato anyad artam, ato anyad ityadi vyakaroti. Ata etasmad brahmanyavasthanat ashanayadi atitat, atita atma swarupat, nitya truptat anyat. From all this, what is different? What is Brahma? That is given here. that which is Brahmani Avastha is Brahma. Brahmani Avasthanat Ashanayadi Atitat. Ashanayadi Atita is Brahma. Atmaswarupat Nitya Truptat. Nitya Truptat. Atmaswarupa which is Nitya Trupta. All this is Brahma Lakshana. Different from that, Panchami. Avidya Vishayam is Yashana Lakshanam. Because it is said Ato Anyad Artam. Ataha, from this Panchami, Anyad, everything else is Artam, Vinashi. So Ataha means from this Brahmani Avastha, others are Vinashi in this way. Brahmanya. Brahmanya Avastha. Brahmanya Avastha. Brahmanah Iyam. Brahmanya. So Brahmanya Avastha. अथ अत अतो अन्यद इत्यादि व्याकरोति अत इति, नॉट अथ. This Atma Swarupa is Nitya Trupta. Different from that, Avidya Vishayam Eshana Lakshanam Vastu Antaram Artam Vinashi. Arti Parigrihitam. Arti Parigrihitam means that which is associated with Dukkham. Swapna Maya Marichi Udaka Samam Asaram Atma eva eka kevalo nityamukta iti. Swapna, Maya and Marichi Udaka. Three drishtantas are given. Everything else is Vinashi. How? Like Swapna, like Maya and Marichi Udaka. Marichi Jala. Everything else means everything other than Atma is Vinashi. Asaram. Tika. स्वप्न इत्यादि बहुदृष्टान्तोपादानम दाष्टान्तिकस्य बहुरूपत्व द्योतनार्थम. By many examples are given that दाष्टान्तिक बहुरूपत्व द्योतनार्थम. Daashtantika has variety. One becoming many is Swapna. Maya, magic show. So Atma is unaffected. Marichi Udaka, there is no variety as such, but that Bhranti continues. See, in Swapna, Bhranti stops once you wake up. But in Marichi Udaka, Bhranti continues even after you understood there is no water. So different examples have different meaning to convey. अतो अन्यदिति कुतो विशेषणम इति आशंक्याः आत्मा एव एकः केवलो नित्यमुक्तः. So why this separation? Atma on one side, everything else on the other side, because Atma is nityamukta. Everything else is nityabaddha. Tatoha kaholaha kaushitakeya upararama. So then Kahola, he understood and he withdraws. With this, Kahola Brahmana is complete. Now, Gargi. पूर्व ब्राह्मणयोर आत्मनः सर्वांतरत्वम उक्तम तन्निर्णयार्थम उत्तरम ब्राह्मणत्रयम इति संगतिम आह. पूर्व ब्राह्मणयोः आत्मनः सर्वांतरत्वम उक्तम. The whole Brahmana said, talked about Atma, which is Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, Ya Atma Sarvantara. What is the meaning of that Sarvantara? That is said in the next three Brahmana. Tan Nirnayartham Uttaram Brahmana Trayam. Next three Brahmanas are for that. Sangatim Aha. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma, Ya Atma Sarvantara. Iti Uktam. Tasya Sarvantarasya स्वरूप अधिगमाय आशाकल्य ब्राह्मणात् ग्रंथ आरभ्यते. आशाकल्य ब्राह्मणात्. आशाकल्य मीन्स हियर इट इज मर्यादा अर्थे. आंग मर्यादा अभिविद्यो हो. दैट इज सूत्र. सो हियर आंग इज फॉर मर्यादा अर्थ. मर्यादा मीन्स you don't include Shakalya Brahmana. Before Shakalya, whatever three Brahmanas are there, Gargi Brahmana, and then Antaryami Brahmana, and Akshara Brahmana, eighth one. Grantha Arabhyate. Tika. Yat Sakshaditi. Uktameva Sambandham Vivrunoti. Now the Sambandha he begins. पृथिव्यादीनि. पृथिव्यादीनि ही आकाशांतानि भूतानि अंतर्बहिर्भावेन व्यवस्थितानि. पृथिव्यादीनि स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पृथ्वी आकाश पंचमहाभूत अंतर्बहिर्भावेन व्यवस्थितानि. Some are inside, some are outside. Akash is inside, Prithvi is outside. Tesham yad bahyam bahyam अधिगम्य अधिगम्य निराकुर्वन् द्रष्टुः साक्षात् सर्वांतरो अगौण आत्मा सर्व संसार धर्म विनिर्मुक्तो दर्शयितव्य इति आरंभः. Starting from Prithvi all the way up to Akasha, those external ones, yesham, tesham yad bahyam. So then you have to put tat. Tat adhigamya. Whatever is external, having known each of them, you have to do nirakaranam. Nirakurvan means nishedha. Drashtuhu sakshat sarvantara. So when you go on rejecting what is external, you will end up in what is subtlest, subtlemost, which is sakshat sarvantara agauna atma. Means it is mukhya antar atma. All the others, like when it is said annamaya kosha, then anyantar atma pranamaya. So pranamaya is atma of annamaya, but it is gauna atma, because it is not mukhya atma, but it is inner to annamaya. Then manomaya is anyantar atma manomaya. So that is interior to pranamaya. That is also gauna atma, but it is antar. So sukshma. Like that, from here it is Prithvi, then Jal, etc. up to Akasha, then further also they will keep doing it, all the way up to Sarva Samsara Dharma Vinirmuktaha Atma. This is to be shown, Darshayitavya iti Arambhaha. Tika. Antar Bahir Bhavena Sukshma Sthula Taratamya Kramena Ityatha. Antar Bahir is nothing but Sthula Sukshma. So from Sthula to Sukshma. Bahyam iti vipsa uparishta tad shabdo drashtavya. Yad bahyam, then you have to put tat. After that vipsa tad shabda drashtavya. Why? Yat tador nitya sambandhat. Because yat and tad are nitya, always connected. संबंधात. निराकुर्वन् यथा मुमुक्षुः सर्वान्तरम् आत्मानं प्रतिपद्यते तथा स यथोक्त विशेषणो दर्शयितव्य इति उत्तर ग्रंथारंभ इति योजना. निराकुर्वन् यथा मुमुक्षुः सर्वान्तरम् आत्मानं प्रतिपद्यते. Whatever is external, having done nirakaranam of that, apohanam, so parityajan, mumukshuhu sarvantaram atmanam pratipadyate. Mumukshu understands what is sarvantara atma. तथा स यथोक्त विशेषणो दर्शयितव्य इति उत्तर ग्रंथारंभ इति योजना. सो यथोक्त विशेषण आत्मा दर्शयितव्य. नाउ द मंत्र. अथ हैनं गार्गी वाचक नवी पप्रच्छ याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदिदं सर्वम् अप्सोतं च प्रोतं च कस्मिन्नु खल्वाप ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति वायौ गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु वायोरोतश्च प्रोतश्च इति अंतरिक्षलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खल्वंतरिक्षलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति गंधर्वलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु गंधर्वलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेत्यादित्यलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खल्वादित्यलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति चंद्रलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु चंद्रलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति नक्षत्रलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु नक्षत्रलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति देवलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु देवलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति इंद्रलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु इंद्रलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति प्रजापतिलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु प्रजापतिलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति ब्रह्मलोकेषु गार्गीति कस्मिन्नु खलु ब्रह्मलोका ओताश्च प्रोताश्चेति सहोवाच गार्गी माति प्राक्षीर्माते मूर्धा व्यपप्तत् अनतिप्रश्न्यां वै देवताम् अतिपृच्छसि गार्गी माति प्राक्षीरीति ततोह गार्गी वाचक नव्युपरराम. Gargi asked so many questions, all simple questions, he gave the answer. The final question came, where is Brahmaloka Otaprota? He says, don't ask Ati Prashna, otherwise your head will fall off. So she understood, she became quiet. But the answer is in Brahma. But when you want to know Brahma, you don't ask like an arguer, an opponent. When you want to know about Brahma, you become Shishya. That is what is indicated. All the other things are simple, you must have already understood. Main thing is, where is Brahmaloka Ashrita? In Brahma. But for that you don't ask, tell me where. No. If you want to know about Brahma, then you have to do Upasakti, and Vidhivat you should ask. So he said, this is Ati Prashna. See the meaning from beginning. Atha. Atha means after Kahola Prashna. Everybody was getting up. Gargi is now her turn. Gargi, she is Vachak Navi. So in Bhashya it is given. Vachaknoho Duhita. She is the daughter of Vachaknu Rishi. Vachak Navi Papracha. Yajnavalkya, she brought his attention. Because in assembly you have to imagine, Yajnavalkya is either looking at Janak Maharaj, or Kahol just now sat down. So he is probably he finished answering there and he sat down. Suddenly somebody gets up from one side or the other side, So they bring his attention. Yagnavalkya, pay attention here now in this way. Iti hovacha. Yad idam sarvam apsu otam cha protam cha. All this means the Prithvi part is otam protam in jala. Apsu otam protam. So Prithvi is ota prota in jala. Kasminu khalu apa otascha protascha. But where apa is ota prota. So this ota prota, it will be said in the tika, like in a cloth. There is one longer thread and one shorter thread. So you can take either one of them as ota and the other one as prota. We'll give that explanation. What is the dhatu in otam and protam?
Ve tantu santane.
Ve tantu sandhane. Then samprasarana will happen. Samprasaranacha. What is that sutra? Igyana. No.
Samprasaranacha.
Samprasaranacha. So samprasarana will happen, and then you will have nishtha pratyaya. Nishtha pratyaya will make it uta. Then ang upasarg purvak ota, pra ang upasarg purvak prota. Pra uta prota. So kasmin nu khalu apa otasya protasya in vayu. Where vayu is ota prota in antariksha. So now directly he goes to antariksha loka. Antariksha lokeshu gargi. Kasmin nu khalu antariksha loka gandharva lokeshu. Gandharva loka ota prota aditya lokeshu. Aditya lokaha chandra lokeshu. Chandra lokaha nakshatra lokeshu. Nakshatra lokaha deva lokeshu. So these are subtler and subtler planes. Otasya protasya. Indra lokeshu. So devaloka is in Indra loka. Indra loka is in Prajapati loka. Prajapati loka is in Brahma loka. Where is Brahma loka ota prota? So Sahuvacha, Yagnavalkya ji said, Gargi ma ati prakshihi. You are doing ati prashna. Ati prashna means it can have different meaning. One is you are exceeding your boundaries. You should not ask such question. Or you should not ask such question in this way. Mate murdha vyapap tat. So this pat dhatu, lung lakara. Chili lungi. So pat, chili, ti. And then there is a sutra, chili will become ang. Pushadi dyutad dyulritaha parasmai padeshu. 3155. And itascha, so ti will become ta. Then lung lang lung shvadudataha. At agam will come. So a, then pat, and then a, ta. And then one more pakar will come. So that pat dhatu is there, in between pakar comes. Pataha pum. So between pa and ta, another pakar That is from the sutra Patah Pum. And V is the upasarga. V apaptat. Apaptat. Anati prashnyam vai devatam ati prachasi. You are asking about that devata by doing this ati prashna, in whose subject you should not do ati prashna. Gargi ma ati prakshi. So don't do this ati prashna. Vachak Navi understood. Gargi, she withdraws. She withdrew. Tika. Kahola prashna nirnaya anantaryam atha shabdartha. After Kahola prashna, anantaryam is this. Grahijya vai vyadhi vyashti vichati vrishati pruchati brujyati nam. In that ve dhatu, what is the rupa for ve dhatu in that?
Swamiji is Vyayi.
Which one?
The third one. Grah Jya Vayi.
Grahijya vai.
Swamiji, in the earlier one, it is in Yajadi. Vachiswapi, Yajadi, Adipadena, one of them is Vedatu.
Vachiswapi yajadi. Yajadi has 9 dhatus, right?
Yes. And that one is Ve.
Ve. Acha, ve, both are there. Ve. Vachiswapi yajadi nam kiti, by that there will be some prasaran. And this other one also could have, both could be there, but this is there definitely. 6-1-15. What are the 9 dhatus in that?
यजिर वपिर वहिश्चैव वसिर वेई वेई इत्यपि ह्वेई मदि श्वयतिश्चेति यजाद्यास्युरिमे नमः.
These are the 9. Tika further. Yad parthivam dhatu jatam tad idam sarvam apsu ityadi yojaniyam. Whatever is parthivam means that which is prithvi karyam. All of that is apsu otam protam. So yadidam sarvam bhashya yadidam sarvam parthivam dhatu jatam apsu udake otancha protancha. What is otam? Otam dirgha patatantuvat. Protam tiryak tantuvat. Dirgha pata you can call otam because all the clothes will have one long and one short. otam, prota, or viparitam va. Bhagavan Bhashyakar says that is not important. Understanding that Atma is Sukshmatara, therefore Sarva Vyapi, it is Sarvantara. Everything else is external and therefore Parichinna. Padartham uktva vakyartham aha adbihi sarvato antarbahir vyaptam ityartha. Adbihi vyaptam sarvatah antarbahir vyaptam. पार्थिवस्य धातु जातस्य अद्भिर व्याप्ति अभावे दोषम आह. पार्थिवस्य धातु जातस्य, what is the product of all these metal etc. धातु जातस्य, धातु समूह. Dhatu actually means all elements, these sthula parthiva elements. Adbihi vyapyatva abhave, if they are not pervaded by water, vyapti abhave, if their vyapti is not there, then what would happen? Anyatha saktu mushtivat vishiryata. Anyatha, what will happen? Saktu means this dal, when they eat, when they travel here, they eat saktu. Here also sometimes they serve in food saktu. And you put some water and you just drink it. You can add something, whatever you want to. If you grab that in your fist, it is all dry. Everything will slip off from your hand. Like that, if there is no water, it is very dry. It is completely dehydrated. So like that, in this world also, if something is devoid of water, it will become like a powder. It will all fall apart. Vishiryata. So water is keeping everything held together. Kimatra gargya vivakshitam iti aha tadaha. Idam tavad anumanam upanyastam. Somebody says, what is Gargi trying to talk about? Suddenly from yat sakshad aparokshad brahma ya atma sarvantara, and then that which is ashanaya pipasa rahitam, so much discussion on sannyasa, all this happened, and now suddenly you are saying water is inside earth. Prithvi is pervaded by water. What is Gargi? Where is she? What was she doing when all these other discussion was going on? You say there is a vyapti through which you need anumanam. So anumanam upanyastam. There is anumana upanyasa. Tadeva darshetum vyapti maha. First he gives vyapti. Yat karyam parichinnam sthulam karanena aparichinnena sukshmena vyaptam iti drashtam. Karyam is parichinnam sthulam. Karanena aparichinnena sukshmena vyaptam. So, vyapti is given. Like dhuma is always pervaded by vanni. There is no dhuma without vanni. Wherever dhuma is, vanni always will be there. So, vanni is the karanam for dhuma. So, how do we say yatra yatra dhuma, tatra tatra vanni? In the same way, yatra yatra parichinnam, tatra tatra aparichinnam sukshmam karanam. Yatra yatra parichinnam sthulam karyam, tatra tatra aparichinnam sukshmam karanam. So if you see Prithvi, don't stop there. It is sthula. So there has to be some karanam, apsu. When you see up, then you don't stop there. Go further. It has to have its sukshma thing. Aparichinna, until you go on reaching the subtlest, beyond which there is nothing. Up to that point, you have to go on thinking. That is the idea. She is not just asking some basic question about Prithvi and Jala. She is very knowledgeable. टीका कारणेन व्यापकेन इति शेषः. कारणेन व्यापक, कारण is व्यापक, स्थूलम is व्याप्य. यत् कार्यम तत् कारणेन व्याप्तम, यत् परिच्छिन्नम तद व्यापकेन व्याप्तम, यच्च स्थूलम तत् सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम इति त्रिप्रकार व्याप्ति. Three types of व्याप्ति are there. इति शब्दस तत् समाप्त्यर्थः. इति is to complete this व्याप्ति. तत् समाप्त्यर्थः means because यत् कार्यम परिच्छिन्नम स्थूलम कारणेन अपरिच्छिन्न सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम तद्दृष्टम. दिस इज व्हाट इज सीन. व्याप्ति भूमिम आह यथा पृथ्वी अद्भिस् तथा पूर्वम पूर्वम उत्तरेण उत्तरेण व्यापिना भवितव्यम इति एष आसर्वान्तरात् आत्मनः प्रश्नार्थः. सो नाउ starting with Prithvi, यथा पृथ्वी अद्भिः, पृथ्वी अद्भिः व्याप्ता, पृथ्वी is pervaded by जल. तथा पूर्वम पूर्वम, whatever is the earlier one, उत्तरेण उत्तरेण व्यापिना भवितव्यम. They all are pervaded by something which is उत्तर, later. ठीक है. पूर्वम पूर्वम इति अबादे धर्मिणो निर्देशः. भाई पूर्वम पूर्वम, अब आदे, अब जल. So they are धर्मी. उत्तरेण उत्तरेण वायुवादिना कारणेन अपरिच्छिन्नेन सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम इति शेषः. So the उत्तर उत्तर वायुवादी, they are the karana. कारणेन अपरिच्छिन्नेन सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम इति शेषः. विमतम कारणेन व्यापकेन सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम कार्यत्वात् परिच्छिन्नत्वात् स्थूलत्वात् च पृथ्वीवत् इत्यर्थः. So now अनुमानम comes. Same अनुमानम basically कारणेन व्यापकेन सूक्ष्मेण व्याप्तम विमतम. Anything that you take, 13 number, abadi karyam. Any karyam is in a sukshma vyapa. If it is karyam, it will be pervaded by something sukshma. Parichinnatvat, sthulatvat cha. Prithvivat, like Prithvi. Prithvi is pervaded by jala. Jaladi karya will be pervaded by their karana. सर्वांतरात् आत्मनो अर्वाक उक्त न्यायम सर्वत्र संचारयति. आत्मा is सर्वांतर. आत्मनो अर्वाक. Just before that, all questions they have this answer. Whether it is Aditya Loka, Chandra Loka, Nakshatra Loka, whatever Loka, same answer. A sarvantarat atmanah prashnartha. This is the answer to all questions up to the question about Atma. Now there is some other discussion. Nanu tathapi bhuta panchaka vyatriktanam gandharva lokadinam api आंतरत्वेन उपदेशात् कथम भूत पंचक व्युदासेन सर्वांतर प्रतिपत्तिर विवक्षिता इति तत्राह. Somebody says, but these Gandharva Loka etc., they are Bhuta Panchaka Vyatirikta. Bhuta Panchaka Vyatiriktanam Gandharva Lokadinam api. Their Upadesha is also done as they are Antaratvena Upadeshat. They are also interior, and therefore when you do nisheda of bhuta panchaka, their nisheda also should be done, and sarvantara atma should become known. But how you will do their bhuta panchaka nishedena sarvantara pratipatti, because they are not part of this bhuta panchaka, gandharvadi loka. तत्र आह तत्र भूतानि पंच संहतानि एव उत्तरम उत्तरम सूक्ष्म भावेन व्यापकेन कारण रूपेण च व्यवतिष्ठन्ते. भूतानि पंच संहतानि, their संघात is all उत्तरम उत्तरम सूक्ष्म भावेन व्यापकेन कारण रूपेण व्यवतिष्ठन्ते. That alone appears in the form of subtler and subtler things, which are in the form of karana, cause, and vyapaka, they are pervading. Nacha parmatmano arvak tad vyatirekena vastvantaram asti. Below Paramatma, anything inferior to Paramatma is nothing other than Panch Mahabhuta. It is all Panch Mahabhuta only. Satyasya satyam iti shrutehe. This is what we already saw. Just one sentence in टीका. उक्तनीत्या प्रश्नार्थे स्थिते सति इति यावत् भूतात्म स्थिति निर्धारेण वा सप्तमी. Sati is there, that Sati Saptami, Bhutatma Sthiti Nirdharane. In this way, when Bhutatma Sthiti Nirdharanam is done, that is this Tatra. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.